I'll share some kind of insight with you. You've probably noticed more than once that girls like low, clear male voices. And when a girl chooses a guy, she will give preference to the one whose voice is most pleasant to her. Also, a side effect of a correct voice timbre is a greater impact on those around you. Fast career growth, much more successful in selling their services and products. Now listen carefully to what I'm about to say. Scientists who study the brain have long known that the center of arousal in girls is located next to the center of speech processing. So a pleasant, velvety, low male voice excites them in the same way as the cute, blue-eyed girl kneeling in front of you. Now, when you know all of this, you have a chance to easily get what you want and be more successful than guys with money who can only serve girls. Some are immediately lucky to be born with good diction, but we will be first in priority, because the one who is just lucky is not engaged in development and, on a long distance, will be tailing off. The first exercise is called straw bass. Sit up straight. Lower your shoulders and imagine that there is a deep lake at the very bottom of your belly, and all of a sudden, unexpectedly, bubbles rising from this lake. They're going through your esophagus, your chest and throat, warming all around you. Release those bubbles by loosening your throat and saying the word straw bass. Do this exercise every day for 4 minutes, and over time your vocal cords will automatically assume this position, thus making your voice deeper. Now let's talk about diction. In case you didn't know, starting with cursive phrases is a big mistake. I've fallen into it myself on the road to improving my diction. It's like starting a 300-kilogram deadlift when you don't even know the proper technique. Nothing good can come out of this. Now, I'll give a very simple but maximally effective technique called ecclesiarchical, or simply slow reading. It simultaneously works your jaw, tongue, and lips, which is actually all the muscles that are responsible for your speech. Take any text, just ordinary text, not cursive phrases, and read it slowly, saying each syllable, each vowel and consonant. Do this exercise for 2 to 3 minutes a day. This amount of time will be enough, especially at first. As a result, you'll put a lot of tension on your facial muscles. I'll let you in on a secret: you haven't strained them once in your life up to this point, so there may be soreness. Pay attention to the quality of performance. It is strictly forbidden to swallow syllables, and of course it is better to record yourself on a recorder to hear on which syllables you have difficulties and work them out separately. After the exercise, try to open your mouth as much as possible, relaxing all the facial muscles, cheeks, lips, jaw. This will release tension and accelerate the progress of speech improvement. You don't have to increase your reading speed right away. The key to the exercise is to pronounce each sound correctly. Over time, add to this exercise the vocal cord position that I've explained in the straw bass exercise. That's all for today. See you later.